Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the very best in innovation, design, and utility. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best mini travel 0.5-inch straightener on the market, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Mini Flat Iron. If you're a frequent traveler, a styling minimalist, or simply someone who appreciates great hair without the bulk of traditional tools, this little powerhouse might just be your new best friend. Let's start with the design. At just 6 inches long and featuring half-inch titanium plates, this straightener is truly compact. It fits effortlessly in a handbag, carry-on, or gym bag. But don't let the size fool you. This tool is built to perform. The titanium plates conduct ultra-high heat and maintain consistent temperature from edge to edge, ensuring every pass delivers smooth, polished results. The slim profile is ideal for touch-ups, bangs, short hair, or precision styling close to the roots. That's essential for a tool of this size. But BaBylissPRO takes it a step further with the addition of negative ions. This helps eliminate frizz and boosts shine. Hair that looks healthy, sleek, and salon-finished, even when you're on the go. One of the highlights is how evenly the heat is distributed. No more worrying about hot spots that damage your hair or underpowered mini tools that don't deliver. The BaBylissPRO Mini maintains steady heat across the plates, so you're never left guessing or going over the same section repeatedly. The cord is long enough for convenient use and swivels to prevent tangling, small detail, but it makes a big difference in tight hotel bathrooms or when you're in a rush. And yes, it comes with a thermal travel pouch, which is perfect for tossing into your bag right after use without worrying about heat damage to other items. If you're wondering about versatility, this mini flat iron isn't just for straightening. Thanks to its slim plates and sleek profile, it can be used to curl, flip, or wave your hair with precision. It's suitable for all hair types, whether you have fine, thick, curly, or color-treated strands. It's especially great for men, teens, or anyone with shorter hairstyles that need detailed styling without the bulk of a regular flat iron. It's perfect for anyone who travels frequently, students in dorms, busy professionals, or even as a backup straightener for quick touch-ups. It's also a fantastic gift option for the holiday season, birthdays, or a thoughtful upgrade for a loved one who's still using a full-size straightener for quick fixes. Considering its durability, performance, and portability, it's a worthy investment that rivals full-sized salon tools, and in some cases, outperforms them due to its targeted precision and ease of use. To sum it all up, the BaBylissPRO Nano Titanium Mini Flat Iron is a compact giant in the world of styling tools. It packs professional-grade performance into a size you can take anywhere. Whether you're headed to a business meeting across the globe, going from the gym to brunch, or just keeping it handy for last-minute fixes, this mini straightener delivers every time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this mini marvel seems like the right fit for your lifestyle, you can check it out using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep dive into the products that make your life better. See you in the next one.